In today's tutorial we have an interesting exercise to figure out how this fascinating reaction could work. Starting from bis trimethylacetylene, this diene system, two alkynes here, a cobalt catalyst, and with an additional step, well, actually is simply heating it up with a 71 overall yield, this steroid framework is obtained. Please try to figure out the mechanism first, not in all details, but the general mechanism, and then please listen to the solution I will offer. Okay. 3 alkynes can trimerize by transition metal catalysts, forming a benzene ring. In this case with 2 trimethylsidyl groups. The 6 carbons of the aromatic ring are those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here 2 more carbons are remaining, giving overall this 4-membered ring, so a benzocyclobutene. Then at this tether we have this chiral cyclopentanone with an additional vinyl group. And from a preceding tutorial we already know that benzocyclobutenes under smooth reaction conditions, somewhat heating up, can open. An electrocyclic ring opening takes place, forming an orthoquinonoid system again with this functionalized tether here, vinyl group, and now this vinyl group is an dienophile in close proximity to this highly reactive diene, and just the Diels-Alder reaction will give rise to the steroid framework. Thanks for listening.